So hi, welcome to my channel Learn with Ayesha. So today we have come up with the other three sense organs which we have discussed in the previous class. So today I'm going to discuss about the nose, tongue and the skin, the three which is left out for the in the sense organ chapter. So let us, before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment box. So shall we start? Okay. So the nose, as we all know that the nose is the organ of smell. So it is also called as the chemoreceptors. Chemoreceptors. So the nose is the organ of cell. The human nose contain olfactoreceptors. They perceive the sense of smell. They are kind of located in the olfactory epithelium lining of the nasal passage. As you can see, is the location of the olfactory receptors in the nasal mucosa. That means which is usually located near the lining of the nasal passage on the either side of the upper nostrils. You know the nostrils, okay? I hope I'm not too fast. Okay, this olfactory cells have hair-like projection called as the olfactory receptors. So this receptors responds to chemical particles dissolve in mucus and secretion of this nose. The impulse from these cells are transmitted to the brain by the olfactory nerves. So this, as you can see here, this is the structure of the olfactory response. If you see under my electron microscope, you'll be able to see the structure of this olfactory receptors, where we have the basal cells with each nuclei and the supporting cells. These are pink color and this yellow color is the receptor cells, and these are the cilia, which is nothing but the hair-like projections. So once these are the main which are responsible for the smell. So the receptor which play a significant role here is the olfactory receptors. So this is about the nose, a small introduction which you can study about the structure and where exactly the location of olfactory receptor in nasal mucus and the structure, how does it look like. And this plays significant role in producing these receptors, and through which we are able to smell the different kinds, okay, good or bad smell. Okay, so this is about the nose. So let us go to the next sense organ, which is the tongue, the organ of taste. As you all know that the bitter taste, the good taste, bad, everything we are able to understand and feel is based on our tongue, showing the different tastes. So before we go, we all know that the taste of this food, whether it is good or bad or sour or tasty or salty or everything, depends on our tongue. So this after once we are tasted, the message is sent to the brain. When we are going to receive the message, how we are going to differentiate the taste into different form. So before we start, let us understand what is the structure of the tongue, showing the different areas of taste. As you can see here, the tip is the sweet, and here is the salt, a little bit pink color, which shows a sour taste, and the center will be the bitter taste, and this is the piglotis. Okay, so once you take the vertical section of the taste bud, you will be able to see this is the structure where you find the taste pose, where you'll be actually able to understand what kind of taste you are having. And these are the supporting cells. This blue color is the receptor cells with microvilli, and this is the nerve cells which send messages to the brain. This is the structure. So let us know tongue has a chemoreceptor also, which is also called as the gastoreceptors. The human tongue bears the taste bud, which is the structure on the upper surface. So the taste bud is an ovoid body present in the papilla. The papilla makes the surface of the tongue surface of the tongue rough. Okay, the surface of the tongue is very rough. Each taste bud consists of the taste receptor surrounded by these supporting cells, and these receptor cells are connected with the nerve fiber and sensory neurons, and these neurons free end cells are produced in hair-like projection process that help to project out of the taste bud through a pore. These are the pores. As you can just see here, there are few pores which have been able to see, which are help for the projection of the sensory process. This sensory process react on to the chemical into solvent solution, react to the chemicals into the solution. These taste buds react to four primary tastes. They're such as sweet, sour, salt, and bitter. And these receptors from each of them are located into the different region, as you can see, which I have marked in a different colors region on the tongue. And this tip of the tongue is more sensitive to salt and taste, sweet. The sides of the sour and thick. Back to and slightly above the back is to bitter taste. All these other tastes are in a combination of these four tastes, which is modified by accompanying the olfactory sensation, which is we have studied in the nose. So this is about the vertical section of the taste bud and how these are responsible for the different tastes based on the receptors. Okay, so the next one is the skin.